The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. I have realized that the past and future are real illusions, that they exist in the present, which is what there is and all there is. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Things are as they are. Looking out into the universe at night, we make no comparisons between right and wrong stars, nor between well and badly arranged constellations. But the attitude of faith is to let go and become open to truth, whatever it might turn out to be. So then, the relationship of self to other is the complete realization that loving yourself is impossible without loving everything defined as other than yourself. And although our bodies are bounded with skin, and we can differentiate between outside and inside, they cannot exist except in a certain kind of natural environment. No work or love will flourish out of guilt, fear, or hollowness of heart. Just as no valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth.